Carnival Cruise Line has been introducing new stateroom and suite categories over the past several years. Some of the new rooms debuted on their latest classes of ships, while others were added during major dry dock refurbishments. And we'll highlight the most unique ones coming up on Talking Cruise. Hi, I'm Chris Cardona. Whether you're tired of the same old regular staterooms or just like sampling something new, Carnival Cruise Line has many exciting alternatives. From rooms offering expansive open views to some with a host of included exclusive experiences, in this video we share the top 5 most unique accommodations available on Carnival FunShips. If you want one of the best views available with more space and won't miss having a balcony, a Scenic Ocean View stateroom will really brighten up your stay. Added as brand new rooms into once empty space above the bridge during recent refurbishments on some Carnival ships, there are 2 categories of Scenic Ocean View rooms available. Scenic Ocean View rooms Category 6J are larger than regular Ocean View rooms and offer a floor-to-ceiling window with forward view. The much larger Scenic Grand Ocean View Category 6K offers a large sleeper sofa and panoramic wraparound floor-to-ceiling windows with forward and partial side views. If you're interested in these accommodations, you better book early. There are only 4 Scenic Ocean View rooms and 2 Scenic Grand Ocean View rooms per ship. If you enjoy time at the spa during your cruise, then the Cloud9 Spa Accommodations are a great choice. Available as interior, ocean view, balcony, and suite, these rooms include a unique spa decor, robes and slippers for use on board, and special Elemis bath products. Additionally, guests 1 and 2 in each room also receive unlimited access to the ship's thermal suite. Each ship has varying thermal suite features, but most offer thalassotherapy or hydropool, saunas, and relaxation room. It's no secret that with all their activities, dining choices, and kids programs, Carnival Cruise Line is a favorite among family cruisers. Taking the family cruise experience even further, Carnival created a special enclave of rooms designed with families in mind. The Family Harbor rooms are decorated with a unique nautical decor and are available as interior, ocean view, deluxe ocean view, Cove Balcony, Extended Balcony, Ocean View Suite, and Ocean Suite with Balcony. The best part is that guests staying in any of these room categories also get exclusive access to the Family Harbor Lounge, offering breakfast and snacks daily, gaming stations, board games, and family movies. Kids can also eat for free in specialty restaurants and get 1 night of free Night Owls babysitting. On the newest Carnival ships, there's a special group of staterooms and suites with a hot Caribbean vibe. Havana Accommodations feature a tropical decor and are available in interior and balcony, but it's the Havana Cabanas that get people excited. The cabanas offer an exterior living space that's more of a patio than balcony, with chic wicker furnishings and hanging chair. When you do feel like venturing outside your Havana room, you'll enjoy access to your ship's exclusive Havana bar and pool area during the day. Before you book one of these amazing rooms, note that all Havana guests must be at least 12 years of age. If you're the type that wants to be part of an exclusive group and stay in the best rooms available, debuting on Mardi Gras, you'll find the Excel level suites. Excel suites are located in premium locations around the ship, taking advantage of commanding forward, aft, and midship views. There are 4 Excel categories to choose from, each with a unique layout. Exclusive in-suite amenities with 2 of the highest categories equipped with a huge wraparound balcony with their own whirlpools. Could it get any better? Actually, yes. Every Excel level suite also comes with exclusive access to the LOFT 19 private sun deck. LOFT 19 features its own infinity pool, concierge service, and cabanas for rental. Thanks for watching the top 5 unique accommodations on Carnival Cruise Line. Don't forget to like this video, post your comments and questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.